Hi and welcome to this video. My name is Brian Nelson from Encaustic Art Plus, based in Elsica, South Yorkshire. Hi, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to unbox this STEINEL HG 2310 LCD electronic heat gun, and in some videos to come you'll see me painting with it. This is a new to me tool that I've not used before, and I thought we'd unbox it together. It's not a sponsored video, but this is the heat gun that I've chosen that I'm going to start using with my Encaustic Art materials. So let's unbox it and see what we've got in here. It is something that will be available from Encaustic Art Plus by special order only at the moment. Right, let me just find where to get in. We get in here. The reason I chose this heat gun over many others, so it opens a bit like a pizza box, guys. Just flips out, just roll it over. Oh look, we're in. Right, so we've got an instruction book by the looks of it. Instructions. And a gun. That's not too bad, not too heavy. Let's have a look and see what we've got. So these heat guns get very hot. I cannot stress enough how hot these things will be. And just health and safety wise, be very careful, and full responsibility lays with yourself when using one of these with encaustic or any other materials that you're going to use heat with. It's made by STEINEL, this one, like I say, and it's got, just try and turn this round, it's got this lovely digital display. Obviously this isn't plugged in, so it's pointing towards me, but it's not plugged in at the minute. So it's got a digital display here and some buttons. There is, let me just have a look and see if it tells me anything on the back. There's a P button, which I think must be to program it in some way or another, and a menu button. There's a fan speed and a temperature, a fan speed up and down, and a temperature speed up and down. And then there's a slidey switch with 0, 1, 2. Now is there a 3 on it? No, just 1 and a 2. And that's on like a slidey switch. So it's on setting 2 at the minute. Again, we're not plugged in, so we're not getting any background noises or anything. So that's 2. Slide back down to 1, and then down to nothing. I just thought we'd film this unboxing just for you to see. Got a lovely chunky handle, quite ergonomic to hold. Even with my hands, I can manage that. Not too heavy. Not the lightest of tools, but it's not heavy either. It's got a 10 amp fuse in the plug. For those of you that are into what fuses and all different things. It's got quite a bit of information in this instruction guide in various languages. Just by having a quick look in the instructions, it appears to be pre-programmed by pressing, looks like you press the P button, and then number 1 is 250 degrees C, number 2 is 350, number 3 is 450, and number 5 is 550 degrees C. So like I say, this thing gets very hot. The little diagrams within the booklet of people doing like soldering type work and that sort of thing. So that's the sort of thing people are doing with it. They also sell a whole range of little tools that go with it. I've just got two for now for myself. A little restrictor nozzle that will blow the heat out of this gap at 50 millimeters. So the length across it is 50 millimeters. And then a circular restriction nozzle. I think this is 9 millimeters. So the tiny nozzle bit would be 9 millimeters. But you'll see me using these different tools and bits in the other videos. For goodness sake, if you use one of these things, please take extreme care. Happy painting, everyone, and we'll look forward to seeing you all in our next video. Please hit like and subscribe.